everybody, welcome back to my YouTube channel. Welcome to today's video. I thought today we would do a power hour clean with me. Nothing too kind of like in-depth, no deep clean or anything, but there's a few bits that I just want to tackle in the alley. I've got a wash load there that needs to be folded up. I actually got a wash load in that needs to be hung out, and there's just a few jobs I want to do out there because we're kind of wrapping up the building work internally out there. So there's like some tape and things that are stuck around the door frame that I want to wash off. I like to give the downstairs toilet just really quick once over. All I use is just my Dettol antibacterial spray. Just put some cleaner down the toilet and then I'm good. I'll give the floors a quick hoover and a mop, and then I'm going to come into the kitchen. So I just thought this would be a really good video just in case you're needing some of that motivation. We currently are on our summer holidays at the moment, so I've got both kids home, so I'm not going to go too in depth like I said, because it's probably just going to be the same tomorrow, because obviously we're all here and we're living here every day. The kids have got their toys out, so yeah, it's nothing crazy. It's just to give you some motivation. So don't forget to give the video a thumbs up, leave me a comment down below. If you're not already, I hope you'll consider subscribing to my channel. You'll have a sneak peek of Bump. We're now 30 weeks along, so yeah, don't mind me, not quite as quick as I was pre-pregnancy, but yeah, I just like to try and keep on top of these jobs daily so it doesn't kind of like build up and I get too overwhelmed. So let's jump in to our cleaning. Okay, so I really thought I would just quickly show you what I mean before I open up the door. Can you see these bits of blue around here? It's actually tape because we had the door all covered in like polystyrene while it was rendered outside and it came inside, so there's still sticky marks on the glass, and then the floor just needs a hoover and a wipe down. I want to just give this area a bit of a wipe down because it hasn't been done for a while before I fold this washing up, and then we'll move into the bathroom, which is through that door there. And then we've just got about 20 minutes or so and I can hang that washing out. So yeah. Even if you... Okay, so just to recap, this is the utility room. So it's basically just a room that's off of my kitchen. It's just not long been finished actually, and it's not used very often. It's purely just used at the moment mainly for washing, hanging washing out to dry if the weather's not great. But we are going to be setting up baby girl's sterilizer and the Perfect Prep machine out here, just to save some workspace in the main kitchen. So what I like to do in here every couple of days is just to wipe the surfaces down, just to get rid of dust, things like that. So that's literally all I'm doing here, nothing crazy, just wiping, sanitizing to make sure everything's clean. Your ego, you're now this load of washing, if the weather's not great, I'll hang it on the error and it will then dry, usually overnight. So I'm just folding up and sorting into piles of what can go straight upstairs and be put away. A couple of items will need to be pressed over with the iron, but the majority of this actually could be put straight away. And then you'll see me get the wet washing out of the washing machine because the load had just finished, and then the weather was actually brilliant this day, lovely and sunny, so I was able to pop out and hang it on the washing line in the garden, and that way it just dries within a couple of hours. Hold up, baby, I can sit beside you while you're going on about your simple life. Nothing left you thinking that maybe you're not different. Go on, blow up your ego, your undeniable, undying ego. Oh, look here he goes, stepping on toes with his humble acting, everlasting ego. Oh, here he goes, here he goes, here he goes. Oh, here he goes, oh, here he goes, oh, here he goes, here he goes, here he goes with his humble acting, everlasting ego. Someone hurt your feelings not that long ago, and every bit of you couldn't face the truth that maybe you're just not that nice and humble. Now moving into the downstairs toilet, again this is new, we didn't have any of this in the extension, so I do just like to wipe this over once a day because it's used quite often now. It's surprising, I can't imagine not having it, but yeah, just literally buzzing over it really quickly with my Dettol spray, wiping the toilet around with a Dettol wipe, and then I'm just popping some toilet cleaner down just to make sure it's all nice and clean and bleached.
Oh, here it goes, here it goes, here it goes. Oh, here it goes, oh, here it goes, oh, here it goes, here it goes, here it goes. With his humble lack and everlasting ego.
Now, I definitely don't hoover and mop down here every day. It's just this day I wanted to give it a quick once over because the kids have been out in their swimming pool, and I could see little wet muddy footprints, so that's the reason why I'm doing this. But like I said, it's not something I do every day. Same with this door. This is more of a deeper clean, just to get rid of the adhesive from the tape from all of the building work. So yeah, usually my daily clean is a lot quicker than what you're seeing here, but I just thought I would include this just because it's nice motivation. I always get motivated when I watch people clean on videos as well.
Got this sweet talk, I'm already on my way. I'm pulling up, don't be late. I'm cutting through all the lanes. Sweet talk, you need to say let's convey. Don't need for no flowers, babe. I'm already on my way, on my way. Why you blushing? Yeah, sweet concussion. Oh, you miss my touching. Good, show me something. Give me more than one thing. I need more than less than I do. Say you're a good guy. Make me believe it. Don't wanna hear it. I wanna see it. See how. Rewind. When we rewind, it feels so nice. I can't help hide. Got this sweet talk. I'm already on my way. I'm pulling up, don't be late. I'm cutting through all the lanes. Sweet talk. You need to say let's convey. No need for no flowers, babe. I'm already on my way, on my way. We've been dancing all night long. Right here with you way too long. Don't want nothing here or now. But I'm done waiting, down, wasting my time. Got this sweet talk, I'm already on my way. I'm pulling up, don't be late. I'm cutting through all the lanes. Sweet talk, you need to say let's convey. No need for no flowers, babe. I'm already on my way, on my way.
So I'm just giving you a really quick tour once it's done. I am planning on doing a house tour actually. There's just a few small little things that need to be finished because we're currently decorating our bedroom. Once that's done, I'm planning on giving you a house tour, but here's a sneak peek of the utility area, and I absolutely love it and wouldn't be without it now. So I'm really, really grateful that we now have this area.
We can sleep under the stars, we can sleep under the stars, or hang out in hotel bars, driving somewhere in your car. We can sleep under.
Okay, I'm just moving into the front room because the kids are eating in the kitchen. So yeah, that's got to go back in the ironing basket. But I want to get the floor all picked up so I can hoover, to have a quick tidy around, ready for us to watch TV tonight.
Under the stars, we can sleep under the stars, under the stars. Baby, while we're young, oh, baby, while we're young, oh, baby, while we're young.
Okay, so like I said, my front room doesn't always get cleaned like this every day, especially at the moment. Most days you will see Ollie's toys everywhere because he likes to set up like little roads little construction sites, but this particular day the floors did need a good hoover, so I obviously had to pick everything up off the floor, and I just took advantage of sorting a few toys out and rotating them so he's just playing with different things. But yeah, don't be under any illusion that the house is completely clean every day, because it's not.
Stars, oh the stars. We can do what we like. We can do what we like, baby, while we're young, baby, while we're young.
And then I was just taking a load off of my feet because the weather is really hot. My feet have been swelling quite badly, so I was just folding some washing up here and just having a bit of a catch up, I think, with Ollie by the looks of it, but he looked quite tired here with his little dog, bless him. Now, just moving into the hallway, so in this video you're not seeing me in the main part of the kitchen, which I always seem to start with in all my other cleaning videos, but it just didn't really need anything doing to it, so I didn't include anything for this video. And I feel like I haven't shown too much in terms of the understairs storage that Tom built for us last year, so I was just organising the shoes, because I find if I don't, they are just thrown in and you can never find what you're looking for. There's just one of each shoe, so we end up with odd shoes. So I was just taking out some of the boots and the school shoes, because we're not going to need those for a few weeks while we're on the summer break, and then I'm giving it a quick dust over. So again, nothing major, it's just a really quick clean, and I'm just sorting out the hallway table, which is kind of like our catch-all area. We just come straight in if we've been out in the car or whatever, or if we're emptying our bags, then it all just gets left on this table. So I just wanted to sort that out. And then I am just giving it a really quick hoover and a mop. I'm not even doing the stairs because they didn't need doing either.
Would you stay with me now till the morning light? Before you turn away, I just want you to know that I didn't throw your stuff away. Before you make up your mind that I'm nowhere to find, I'm standing right here. I know that I told you we're over, I swear that I'm sober, just listen, I miss you. And I know that I said all these things, but now when you're with her, I can see that.
So that's going to wrap up my video for today. So I really hope you enjoyed this more speedy style of clean rather than the deep clean. I am going to be bringing back lots more of my deep cleaning videos. I've got lots of organising videos now actually that I'm planning on filming. I want to start preparing for all of baby girl's bits and pieces, her bottles, things like that. So stay tuned for that. Don't forget to give this video a thumbs up. Leave me a comment down below, and if you're not already, I hope you'll consider subscribing, and we'll see you in our next video. Bye everyone.
Morning light.